Welcome. In this video, we'll see how to calculate the one variable data table and the two variable data table, which falls under the what if analysis. In order to do it, you need to have your calculations already done and reference your final calculations. Here I have referenced my final cumulative cost, and I want to see 10 different scenarios for this calculation. So at first you need to select the whole range for the scenarios and calculations, then go to the data tab, then select what if analysis, data table, and here you need to input a column input cell, and you can give it any empty cell for doing the calculations, which will Excel do automatically for you, and click OK. And this will fill up all the cells for the scenarios. I can see the 10 different scenarios for my cumulative cost. So this was the one variable data table. Now let's move on to the two variable data table. Here I have a setup for the two variable data table, and I want to see the minimum trip revenue for this condition. I have two variables, base rate and mileage rate, for which this revenue was calculated by the formula, which I have already done here. In order to perform this two variable data table, first select the whole range and then go to the data tab, select what if analysis, then data table. From here you need to reference your two variables, for which two variables you want to see the calculations for. For the rows it is my base rate, and for the column it is my mileage rate, and I will click OK. And this will fill up all the cells with my minimum trip revenue, and I have already conditionally formatted it for which it allows me to see the value which I want to see actually. So this is how you can perform the one variable and two variable data table, which falls under the what if analysis. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and hopefully we'll meet in the next informative video. Thank you.